Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Brandi Rose, and today I'm showing you how I got this cute Bantu knot style. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I also just blow dried it. And you want to make sure your hair is detangled before you get started. The longest part for me is doing the parts. Now I like to part my hair in half and start with the front because it's easiest because I can see the front better. And I want some crispy, sharp parts. And to slick my hair down, I like to use the Shine and Jam. This just makes my hair blend very nicely with the extension hair. And it also just makes the hair look sleek and it cleans up the parts and things like that. And then I like to brush it in. And for an even sleeker look, I'm going to be using the Edge Booster on my edges. I like to do this before I'm completed the style because it makes it easier to do the hair this way. But I'm just going to do this in the front and I'm going to swoop my edges, style them the way you like. And once I have it styled the way I like, I'm just going to pop it into a ponytail. Now this part just helps me keep my hair out the way. I'm just going to 2-strand twist my hair, and then I'm going to just follow this whole process over my whole head. The way I'm doing the shapes is more triangular because that just shapes my face a little bit better, but you can make any shape. You can do square, it's very versatile. Just try what works for you. Now this is my little trick for the back of my hair, and that is just putting my phone on a tripod and screen sharing to my computer so I can get the parts right in the back, and this is how they turned out. Now for the fun part, I am using the Spetra braid hair. This is in the color 1B in 20 inches. Now the best way I've done this is to loop the hair so you can crochet it through. And then hold one part while pulling the other part of the hair through. And once you got the hair through, all you're gonna do is even them out, making sure they're the same length, and grab some mousse. You don't have to, but I like to grab the mousse. And then what I'm doing is covering my twist. Then I'm just gonna wrap it. So I'm just gonna twist it, not a 2-strand twist, but twist it like a lock. And then I'm gonna wrap my hair into the Bantu knots like so. Also, I want to point out that I am twisting the hair as I'm wrapping the hair into the Bantu knot, because that's going to make your hair have that same texture all the way around. And you can do this looser or tighter depending on how thick or thin you want the Bantu knot. But I'm going to do this a couple times so you can get the hang of it. And also, for the people wondering how I'm gonna sleep at night, I did not install any bobby pins, and that made this so easy to sleep on. It's a lifesaver. Just make sure you wrap it very tight once you get to the end of the hair. Now here's another trick. If you don't know how to crochet or you're having too much of a hard time to crochet it, just ponytail it. Put a rubber band on the hair and then attach it to your twist and go from there. And that is the Bantu knot install. And now that they're all done, I do like to go back in with some hairspray and then just go in with a blow dryer just to make the hair form to my hair better. And then I will go back in and redo my edges, make sure they're even sleeker and fresh. Don't forget to comment down below what you'd like to see me try next for my natural hair series, and this is the final look. Make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.